One of the things I want to share with you guys real quick is you don't have to win at every social media platform. Focus on the one that matters to you, that obviously is working, and then triple down on that. We are in the B2B space. If you're in the B2B space, it makes sense to do a little bit more LinkedIn and a little bit more Facebook versus trying to win in Instagram, even though it is culturally more relevant right now. But it's a waste of time trying to get more followers and likes and comments if that's not the result you're trying to get as a business. If you're a B2B, it would make sense to, try to create a LinkedIn ad targeting someone who's in HR or who's in the executive level. Or if you're focusing on Instagram, probably makes sense if you're trying to become an influencer, and then you kind of try to pander to those vanity metrics, because those vanity metrics help give you feedback in what type of content is working. I think everything is feedback, likes, comments, and all of that. But to focus on that when it's not the driver of the result you want, I think it's just a waste of time, and it's the quickest way to lose. Focus on the one social media platform that's actually going to give you the most results. So that's why I still push Facebook, because Facebook ads and Instagram ads are just amazing. And especially if you're going like for B2C, if you're like a restaurant trying to promote a new dish that just came out, it just makes sense to give a deal off it on Facebook and Instagram, because especially Instagram, because considering that it is an insanely visual platform. You don't have to worry about winning at everything, because that's the quickest way to lose. Find what works, focus more on that, and then let everything else be kind of like a side hustle, like something good that supplements the main thing. And if you're not focused on the right thing that drives you the results, then you're going the wrong direction fast. So just quick random thought. This isn't any part of the course, but this is something that's just been on my mind. A lot of people that I work with, that I do quick meetings with, they worry about these metrics. But these vanity metrics of followers and likes aren't relevant to what they're trying to achieve. For some, it makes sense. Some dancers and actors now have to have a good following, so it makes sense to try to get some more. But if you're a service-based business, if you're a product-based business, it's important to know where the most relevant audiences are based off that.